Bonjour et bienvenue en French learning classes. So today in this video, we will learn the prepositions in French. So preposition is to express the situation of an object, a place or a person. Okay, so it's basically tells us the location or the situation of the object, that where is the object is located. Now see these examples. Example number 1. Le vase est sur la table. Okay. Le vase. So vase is located where? On the table. Sur means on. Okay. Sur means on. So on the table. The vase is on the table. Le vase est sur la table. So prepositions is basically to express the location of an object. Okay. So here the object is vase and it is located where? On the table. So sur means on and it is a preposition. Now number 2. La souris est dans la boîte. Okay. La souris. Souris means mouse. Okay. Mouse. So la souris est dans la boîte. So the mouse is in the box. Boîte means box. Okay. Boîte means box. And dans means in. The mouse is in the box. So sur et dans. Okay. Both are the prepositions here. Now we will see and learn some more prepositions. So, à côté de. Okay. À côté de, which means next to or nearby. Next to or nearby. Okay, à côté means next to. Okay, next to. That means agla, next to. Or we can say nearby. Now number 2, à gauche. À gauche, which means to the left. Okay, to the left. यानी कि left की side से. To the left. À gauche. Number 3, devant. Okay, devant means in front of. In front of. Devant. In front of. Samne. Okay. Devant. Alright. Entre. Entre means between. Entre means between. Alright. Entre. Number 5. Derrière. Derrière. Which means behind. Okay. Piche. Behind. Derrière. Okay, behind. À côté de. The is used to say from. Okay. À côté de. À gauche. Devant. Entre. Derrière. Now number 6. À droite de. À droite means at the right. Okay, to the right. To the right. À droite. To the right. Then pray. Okay, pray, which means near. Pray, which means near. Okay, pass. Pray. Then loin. It is loin. Loin means far. Okay, loin means far, dur. Then en face de. En face de, which means in front of. Or we can say facing. Okay. In front of and facing. Devant means also in front of. Devant and en face de both have same meaning. In front of. Okay. Now where. Where means two words. Okay. Two words. Where. Then au coin de. Au coin de, which means at the corner. At the corner. Corner. Okay. Au coin de, at the corner. Now repeat. À droite, to the right. Près, near. Loin, far. En face de, in front of. Where, towards, okay, au coin de, at the corner. Okay, so these are the prepositions in French. Now let's see the picture which you have to see on the board. Okay, and we have to place the preposition according to the location. Okay, in the number 1 picture, la balle est loin de la table. Okay, la balle est loin, that means far from the table. Loin de la table. Okay, in number 2, la balle est dans la boîte. Okay, la balle est dans, that means in the box. Dans la boîte. Boîte means box. In number 3, la balle est sur la table. In number 4, la balle est derrière la boîte. Okay, derrière, that means behind the box. Behind the box. Derrière la boîte. Okay. Number 5 situations tell us the ball would be moved to the left. That means à gauche de. Okay, à gauche, to the left. Now number 6, la balle à côté de la table. La balle à côté de la table, which means à côté de, which means next to the table. Okay, the ball is next to the table. That means उसके बिल्कुल बगल में है, next to the table. So la balle est à côté de la table. Then afterwards, number 7, la balle est sous la table. Sous means under. Okay, that means under the table. La balle est sous la table. Okay. Then la balle est près de la boîte. La balle est près de la boîte. Près means near. Okay, the ball is near to the box. Le ball est près de la boîte. Next is le ball est entre deux boîtes. Okay, the ball is between to the 2 boxes. Le ball est entre deux boîtes. Next is le ball est devant la boîte. La balle est devant, that means in front of the box. In front of the box. Devant means in front of. So, la balle est devant la boîte. In the last, the arrow shows that the ball has to be moved to the right. So, that means we have to use the preposition à droite. À droite. That means to the right. Okay. So, that's it for today, and you have to practice it. Learn it, the prepositions. Actually, there are many prepositions in French, so we have to left some prepositions, but you don't worry, we have to cover up in the further videos. So you have to subscribe my channel, like and share, so you will get updates about my new videos. So stay tuned, and yes, merci beaucoup, au revoir.